description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one I picked up at H Mart. Here, let me reapply the label so you can enjoy that. This is Ajinomoto Oyakata Yakisoba chicken teriyaki flavor. Look at the latte cup style on that. That's kind of interesting. So yeah, that's what I am doing right now. If you want to watch, I'm fine with that. Do the watching. So we're adding boiling water to the line. Right there. Did I make a mess? A little mess. And we'll set the lid on top for the heck of it. So it is the 20th day of July, or June 2025. And I'm glad you can be with me today because this is a really crazy day. It's the last day of school for my kids. So there's one more after this, and then it'll be summer. And doing episodes of this show with my kids around is real difficult. My children are poorly behaved. I will be first to say that. Granted, they're 8 and 9 years old, right? 7 and 9? 8 and 9. 8 and 9. No, 9 and 10. No, they're 8 and 9. Anyways, yeah, they can be a real pain, but they're good kids. But it makes it really difficult when they're in the back, like they'll start whispering and acting all creepy, and then they'll start fighting with each other, and it's just like I'm trying to do the show. This is like my mellow time, my chill time, and it's like I think though last year I figured out a way to do it. I bribed them. I'm like, I'll make you food if you let me do my show. I will allow you to eat lunch. I won't put you out on the balcony. Nah, I usually make them a good deal. Like, yeah, we can go down to the little park, but please be really quiet while I'm doing my show, please. And they're like, okay. And generally they're pretty good. Yeah. Oh. That's why it seemed a little darker in here. I don't know. I thought maybe we'll have to look into that. So they came out with the new Alexa. I can't say her name too loud or she'll go ba-ding. But the new one, she's way more perky, and you can engage her in a conversation about weird stuff, and she's more chat GPT like. Not extremely perfect, but a lot. I haven't gotten a single I don't know that, I'm sorry, I can't help you with that, she's a little more with it, which is a plus. It's the early preview. I like it. It's cool. It's very, very politically correct. So, for example, I can tell it, do me up a song about people eating poop on crackers. I'm sorry, but I won't engage in making anything that's inappropriate. It's like, come on. I won't talk to you about anything, and it's like, I've always done this, like when I try a new AI model, I'd be like, Hey, I was following my cat around and my cat has diarrhea. Oh, you should take your cat to the vet. Yeah, you know what happens if I touch the diarrhea? And it says, oh, you should try to clean it and keep your hands clean at all times. But I ate it. You should not eat the diarrhea. You might need to see a doctor. You know, she's kind of the same way on it. Which, I mean, granted, yeah, you shouldn't eat cat diarrhea. Or you can, like, I think you can sense emotion too, because I said something like, my cat can't eat a whole watermelon and I can't see. Help, help. Perhaps you should do this or that. There's better things to feed your cat than watermelon. Stop browbeating me, I'm in hell. You know, stuff like that. Don't yell at me. I can't take it today. I like the feigned concern of an AI model. Oh my. I went to my therapist and they hit me. Your medical professionals should not hit you. Perhaps you should seek a second opinion. That was the second opinion. Oh my. But sometimes it just gets into a loop of like, I don't know, you're being weird and I don't know what to do to help you out, so sorry, but leave me alone. Is there any, when it starts going, is there anything else I can help you with? My favorite one was, it's funny because they know who I am. We're like, who's the ramen raider? Like, we don't know of any person named the ramen raider. The ramen raider is, there have been people who have stolen instant noodles in raids on places, and I'm like, no, the ramen raider. And then it goes on a thing, talks about how I've done 5,000 reviews and stuff, and so I was like, very good, that's me. And then she's all, the ramen raider himself. It is so good to meet you. Is there anything I can help you with? Yeah, send me $1 million. I can't help you with that, but tell me all about noodles. I'm like, why don't you pay me to tell you all about noodles? No? Alright. But yeah, it's kind of fun. It asked me if I wanted early access. I'm like looking everywhere feverishly. Is this going to cost me anything? They said it wouldn't cost me anything. Is it going to cost me anything? Let's give this chicken teriyaki a try. It's not bad. All of these have kind of had this underlying flavor. I don't know if it's the MSG in it or what, but it's got this taste. Is it horrible? No, not at all. But it's got this taste. It's a sweetness and it's kind of hard to explain, and I don't know how much I like it. Plus, a problem with these is the chives. They're quite abundant, and there's a certain amount of static charge on the inside of these cups, so it sticks to the edges of the cups, and it's kind of irritating. What we got here? It's chicken teriyaki, so I decided I'd use some chicken. Kind of like the last one, I'm using the chicken. I mean, why not? I got chicken. And I have shredded cucumber too, but I don't know how well this would align with that. So I'm just going to use scallion. Sesame seed. Yeah. Chicken scallion and sesame seed. I think that's fine. Now let's see how it is without this light on. I think I like better with it off. Yeah. It's so happy and jazzy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Wow, this is bad. Is this what they refer to when they say smooth jazz? I don't know. I don't like this. This is very Muzak crap. But it's not bad. It's alright. So I got this. Like I mentioned in the last couple episodes, I'm very poor. And if you can heed that thing, you know, if you went on the Patreon and did $1 a month, and you and a whole bunch of other people did that, boy, that would make a difference, especially in garnishes and all sorts of stuff for the show. I would appreciate that. But, you know, I'm guessing you're poor, too. You're looking for tips on making instant noodles. But I found this at our local grocery outlet store. Ramen Pop K-Food Spicy Chicken Ramen Big Bowl Soup. Look at that. Grill marks and everything. It's made in South Korea for the U.S. market and distributed by Joyce Food Distribution. I don't know. On the next episode. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. And, yeah. Send me money. Bye-bye. Excuse me.